Welcome to our educational channel from class 6th mathematics, the chapter 5, natural and whole numbers. Natural numbers and whole numbers, including some patterns, we'll discuss in this chapter. So these are the topics I'll explain one by one. Let us see. First, let us see what is the natural numbers, whole numbers. So those difference and successor and predecessor of the whole number. And next, main properties of the whole numbers based on these four fundamental operations like addition, subtractions, multiplication, divisions. What are the properties of the whole numbers we'll see. Then pattern in whole and natural numbers. Even patterns also let us see in this. First, when you come to this natural numbers, generally to counting numbers we can use as this natural numbers. So the numbers we can count the things. Okay, in the class there are 30 boys, or we have 4 trees, okay, 6 houses. Those numbers 4, 6. So numbers we can use as natural numbers. We can call it as a counting numbers also, because to count any group we have to start with 1. Okay, if you want to count the number of students in your class, so what we should do, you have to count with number 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. So this is the system of number system is natural numbers, right? These are the numbers used to counting purpose. They are the natural numbers. And when you come to these properties or the main basic steps for this, the first one is the first and smallest number in natural number is 1. Okay, 1 is the smallest number in the natural numbers. And largest one, the last and the greatest natural number cannot be obtained because 1. For example, if you take 90 is the largest, then 91 will be there. If it is 1 lakh, then 1 lakh and 1. 1 crore, so 1 crore and 1. So there is no end number. That means the last and the greatest natural number cannot be obtained. Okay, so no last number, that means it cannot be obtained. In fact, there are infinite natural numbers like counting of stars in nature. So it's infinite. Right? And third point is the difference between the natural numbers is 1. Difference between them. 3 minus 2 is 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So difference is 1. The difference between the natural numbers is 1. Right? And by adding 1 to any number, we'll get the next number. For example, if you take 10 is the number, by adding 1 to this 10, then we'll get the next number. Okay, by adding 1 to any natural number, its next natural number is obtained. Okay, these are the basic steps about the natural numbers. Remember, the main thing is natural numbers are nothing but counting numbers. Okay, to count digits will start with 1. So 1, 2, 3, there is no decimals in this. Only 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. So there is no 2.1, 2.3. So no decimals, remember. Only the counting numbers is the natural numbers. Okay, even fractions like 3 by 4, 4 by 6, those are not natural numbers. Okay, decimal number, not natural numbers. Okay, when you come to this, like 3 by 4, so this is not natural number. 3.1, so it's not a natural numbers, right? Even the negative numbers like -3, -4, these are also not natural numbers. Only the natural numbers are counting numbers. The natural numbers are those numbers which we can count the things in nature, like houses, trees, or boys, girls, students, strength. So numbers will start with 1. Okay, these are the basic natural numbers properties. Next, we'll see the whole numbers and those properties, successor and predecessor, and main things, the properties we'll see one by one.